Hey y'all, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing May's Boxycharm. And the theme of this month is Make Waves. This is totally summer vibes. I just want to put a swimsuit on. We have 5 products this month. So the first thing I'm seeing in the box is this GLAMGLOW GentleBubble, and it's a daily conditioning cleanser. And I'm obsessing over all of this holographic packaging. So this daily conditioning gel cleanser is supposed to gently but effectively cleanse skin and dissolve makeup. And this cleanser is soap, fragrance, and SLES free, which I actually need to look up what that is. And this cleanser runs for $28. And I will definitely try this out before I upload this video and make sure I update y'all in the description box. So next thing I see in the box is the ALAMAR Colorette Blush Trio. And I have the ALAMAR brushes and I love them. And it is my favorite types of blushes, just the tiniest bit of sheen. And they all have a peachy undertone, definitely. So I really love peach blushes, so I'm excited to try this. The blush trio runs for $22. Let me actually add some bronzer first. I have all my face makeup done. I'm just taking the Cover FX face palette, and I got this in, was it last month's Boxycharm? I cannot keep up anymore. And I really, really liked this palette. I've been using it quite a bit. We almost forgot my cat ears. Can't forget those. Gosh, my baby hairs are just going nuts lately. Like, look at that little curly thing. Get out of there. Oh my gosh, and they are so soft. Oh, beautiful shades. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna mix Castaway and Scorcher. Okay, I can go in a little heavier. I'm actually just gonna take all three, why not? This is without. This is with blush. It has a lot of sheen and I feel like it is accentuating pores right here where I normally put blush. So I really do like this blush. I think the formula is very soft and I usually like a sheen in my blush just a little bit, just to give your skin some healthy glow. But I feel like if you keep piling this on, it's really gonna accentuate pores right in here. I think it's pretty, I don't think it's my favorite. So let me know what y'all think of the blush. I know a lot of people just like matte blushes because they don't want, you know, any texture being accentuated or anything like that. So let me know what y'all think. Next, I'm gonna go in with the CIATE London Eye Lustre Cream Shadow. This is a metallic glittering liquid eyeshadow that can be swiped on for full coverage or sheer sparkle. So I'm gonna take this ALAMAR brush and take that contour shade in the Cover FX palette. I got the ALAMAR brushes in another Boxycharm. They're really nice. So I just have something in the crease. I'm just gonna go over my lid. And it kind of matches my little bralette, if you will. Glitter. It matches! That's so cute! Try not to blink. I love how it makes my eyelids look huge, and I have hooded lids, so love that. So while that's drying, the CIATE cream eyeshadow is $22. And I actually have their CIATE's, those liquid lipsticks that where you press your lips together and then it's glitter. So far I really like CIATE stuff. It's very like fun and some of it's pretty innovative. I don't have this color in really anything, so I think it's really cute. It's pretty much dry. I'm just gonna take a little more contour shade and blend it in the crease. See what happens. It flakes everywhere. There's glitter on my brush, but there's not I don't think there's glitter all over my face, so I think we're good. I'm taking this brightening shade from the Cover FX palette and just putting it in my inner corner. So next is the Bodyography eyeliner pencil. This is vegan, cruelty-free, and I have the shade Emerald. This runs for $14. So you can wear this actually on the lips and on the eyes. I have the lip liner, so I wonder if it's the same formula. I'll have to check. This is kind of scary because it's so sharp and I'm going close to my eye. Alright, I just put some of that eyeliner on the outer corner just to try it, and I wouldn't say that it's the color that it says. It does not look emerald to me at all. It looks more teal, but if it's anything like the lip liner, I'll probably like it. Let me put on some mascara and I'll be right back. I'm just adding a little bit of this brightener shade to high points on my cheeks, and honestly, I've been using my fingers a lot lately, and I don't know what it is. But honestly, I've been like loving the way my makeup's been turning out by using my fingers to blend more. I don't know, super weird. So last thing is lipstick. This is by Dose of Colors and it's a liquid matte lipstick. And I have been loving Dose of Colors lipsticks. I have the shade Truffle and this runs for $18. And their packaging is always so just clean looking. I love a good just nude color. I don't like when they send me all these crazy colors and metallic lipsticks. Oh my gosh, y'all, do y'all see these edges? That, like, this all just like happened. Like, I've always had baby hairs, but oh my gosh, that looks like a freaking toupee right there. Like, I cannot. That's wild. Postpartum journey. I love Dose of Colors lip formula and I'm really enjoying the shade, not with this eye look, of course. But all in all, I thought this was a really good box. I got some really cool items. I'm excited to try the cleanser. My total value this month was $104, which I think I've tried most of these brands before. Nothing's like really just standout new to me. I really hope y'all are liking these Boxycharm videos, the try on and reviews. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.